Hello, this is Diana, and I'm going to show you how to use the blog here in this course. So it is actually very easy. You can see on the right you have the blog menu. You can see all entries for the course. You can see your own entries about this course. You can add an entry about the course, and you can see blog entries and add a new entry. Okay, I'm clicking there, and I have the new entry, and I need to write the title. Let it be introduction, really quick, and I actually copied the text, the introductory text for my first blog. That's it. You click Save Changes. And here we go. I've got my first entry, blog entry, and I also can see that I've got other blogs from my external blog, which I added a little bit earlier. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.